Hey Dean, it's Rachel with a response to your WordPress issue screencast. I apologize, I have a cold today, so I'm going to sound a little gravelly. I made an assumption from your screencast, and that is that you are using the WordPress kind of default theme 2011 on your site. That's what it looked like, at least. And because of that, I think you're going to want to default to your second option, or choose your second option, which was to create an extra menu item for your posts or the class instructions or whatever you want to call that section. The reason you want to do that rather than changing your home page is because 2011 is a default theme, and unless you're running a child theme of it, you don't really want to hack or change the default theme, because each time WordPress is upgraded or each time there's a major theme upgrade, you're going to have to recustomize your customizations. So generally we don't hack the core, I think is the way we want to think of it. And in that case, there is another option for your dilemma, and that is creating a custom menu. I think a couple people mentioned it already. So if I go to menus, if you're just running the base 2011, you'll probably see a screen like this where you don't have a custom menu created yet, unless you've done a side widget menu. And so for this example, I'm just going to title this menu main menu, because that's what we're going to use it as. And in 2011, they just support one menu, so main menu, and I save. And then the first thing I do when I create a custom menu, especially for a site that's in use, is I go to my pages that are already active, and I make sure to bring over all of those ones that I want for my menu. So in this case, it's a simple one. It's just a sandbox site, so just those simple two. So you'll notice that on the site I had created a few sample posts with you as the author. You could use categories, but I think in your case, you're the one authoring all of the posts you need for these class instructions. So I'm just going to click on you, and you'll see that I have a URL which pulls all of the posts by author you. So when I come back over to my menus interface, I can just post that URL into custom links. And then I can call that whatever I want, class instructions, Dean's posts, whatever you want that menu item to be. And I just add it to menu. And of course, just like on any others, I can move it around. I could create it as a child menu, but in this case, I just want the 3. Okay, and then I go back to the sandbox, and you'll see that my home page is still the same, where with all of your students' posts coming in, your instruction posts might get lost. Right now on mine, they're at top because they're the latest. I still have my sample page link, and now I have a class instructions link, and it's just pulling those posts from you. So again, it's not option number 1 for you, and you can go with option number 1, and if you really want to, let me know, and we can do the little PHP snippet that you need. It just means that anytime there's a fairly decent upgrade, you're going to have to redo that work. Okay, hope this helps. Bye.